Stick around, see how I made this juicy, delicious smash burger. You'll sure love it. Alright everyone, just going to do a quick one for you today. We're going to get some smash burgers done today. Going to start off with doing a burger sauce. After we get our sauce made, we'll go outside and we'll get our burgers cooking. Really easy burger sauce today. Nothing but a little bit of mayonnaise. Using Duke's here. Use whatever you like. Here I have some Dijon mustard. Just gonna add some of this, a little squirt. And then some truff hot sauce. Some fresh ground salt. And some black pepper. Give it a quick stir. And a quick taste test. Delicious. I'll meet you outside. Go ahead and get this thing turned on while we're bringing our stuff out. Okay, while we're heating up here, we're going to put our bun on. About right here, the wife came out, decided she wanted to get a burger, so we're going to double everything up. These have a nice toast on them. We'll get them moved over to the side. That's not hot. Get some oil down, spread out, and then we'll get our 2.5 ounce balls on.
Let me smash. Let me smash.
You'll notice I sear one side of the meat for a few seconds and then flip it over before smashing. That's just to help the patty from sticking to the smashing tool. Time to go ahead and get the first one flipped over. Put some cheese on these guys. Put some sauce on our bun here. The other one's flipped over, cheese up. That's a beautiful crust on this. Get the first burger built, put off to the side. Clean up while we're not doing much. Some sauce on this bun. Get this burger built, and we'll go inside and give these a test. Okay, everybody, you can see here, this is the burger we just made outside on the Blackstone. It started raining, so I brought it in here to give it a taste test. Go ahead and give it a try. Look at that. That is so delicious and so easy. I don't know who wouldn't like that. Hey, like I said, it's going to be quick and short. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you're not already. Hope to see you in the next one. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.